Making one wedding cake is already exciting, but this time we got to make 13. From baking to delivery, this was our journey. So sit back, relax, and let us take you through the whole thing. Tara, let's go! Day 1. And we started with the most basic part, baking the cakes. For an order of 13 wedding cakes, kailangan talaga nating magplano ng maayos because we couldn't bake everything at once. One batch at a time. We prepared the batter, filled the pans, and got them into the oven. Since we are making 13 cakes, anything we can prepare ahead of time, we do it. Mas okay nang unti-unti nating matapos ang mga kailangan kaysa maghabol tayo at the last minute. And of course, after every batch comes out of the oven, we let the cakes cool completely before moving on to the next step. While waiting for the cakes to bake, we also started preparing the flowers that we will be using later as cake toppers. Day 2, time to assemble all the cakes. Ngayon na completely chilled na ang mga cakes, we can level them para ma-prepare for the filling.
No fuss, moonlit skies were hand in hand. Wanderlust we understand. Midnight drive will come alive. Cruising roads will feel the vibe. Every mile just you and me.
One by one, nilagyan natin ng filling ang cake, stack the layers, then making sure everything was nice and even. At dahil kailangan pa i-frost at i-decorate itong mga cakes, kailangan muna nating siguraduhin na stable din sila. Dito papasok yung crumb coating, yung manipis na layer of buttercream that will help seal in those crumbs and nagbibigay ng mas smooth na surface para sa final frosting. "13 cakes means 13 times the work." Pero guys, at this point, we are slowly seeing the cakes come together. So, nakakagana rin. One cake done, then another one, hanggang sa matapos natin silang lahat. And just like that, day 2 is done. Next, so guys, we are cooking 13.
Start, good vibe, full heart, no stress, no rush, just move, just push, step in, feel right, good energy all night, no doubt, no fear, just me, right
Day
here.
3, and finally, nasa finishing stage na tayo. Final frosting and texturing. Dito na talaga nagsisimulang magmukhang wedding cakes yung mga cakes natin. We carefully smooth the buttercream, create the texture, and make sure na clean at consistent lahat ng cakes. And if you watch our live guys, you might recognize this part because we actually went live while we were frosting these cakes. If you missed it, just check out this link above.
This pace, I know, no drag, no pain, just flow in my lane. Every step feels right, body strong, mind light. Through the reps, through the time, I just move in my prime. Feel good grind.
Pero hindi pa kami tapos because we decided to add one more thing, French macarons. So habang nasa gitna kami ng pagtatapos ng wedding cakes, we also had to bake and fill these little guys. Talagang last minute addition to because we thought they would look really nice with the cakes. And finally, delivery day. After 3 days of baking, assembling, frosting, and preparing, it's time to bring the cakes to the wedding venue. This is also the part where we double check everything. We decided na sa venue na lang namin ilalagay yung final details, yung flower toppers at yung French macarons. 13 cakes, so kailangan talagang siguraduhin na kumpleto at ready ang lahat. We arrived, unloaded the cakes, and placed each one on its assigned table. And slowly, we could finally see the finished result. And honestly guys, this was the moment we could finally breathe a little. All those hours in the kitchen were finally coming together. And here they are guys, all 13 cakes ready for 13 lovely couples. Looking back, it was definitely a lot of work. Pero nang makita namin ang lahat ng cakes naka-display, made everything early morning, every batch of butter, and every hour in the kitchen worth it. We're grateful na naging part kami ng magandang celebration na to, even in our own little way. From our little kitchen to the wedding day, what a journey it has been.